The greatest gift that Taliesin would give a student is the experience of living in the spaces and understanding them more than anything they'll learn from any professor or any experience they have there. When we talk about Wright, the fellowship and their commitment to Wright and his ideas and their imagination, the rigor, the gift is the experience of the place. It has to be really getting into essence and the integrity and really taking it apart in your mind and living in it. Not just saying you're living in it, but trying to sort of proportion, scale, form, materiality, invention. There's so many clues here, and I think that if you could live at the campus for 1 year, if you're really a curious person and destined to be an architect, you would take back such a treasury because it is the place. It is the magic of that.